Deli is an advocate and leader of overall solutions for multi-working and learning scenarios. Since 1981, it has become a global enterprise integrating office supplies, OA equipment, stationery, children's education, printers, tools, furniture, B2B, and other business sectors. For more than 40 years, Deli has focused on enterprise users and individual customers, communicated the world through technology and innovation, and established a leading market position in the world with products and services covering 140 countries and regions. Every day, we are thinking about how to create more value, gain more trust.
We are aware that innovation in Deli is extremely important for both our present and future. By identifying consumer pain points, surveying our market, and deeply understanding the manufacturing process of our products, we make sure that we deliver on-point innovation to the market. Proposing design with valuable feature, new material, and enhanced user experience.
We have great in-house design teams and we work with the best external design studios in the world. By working with internationally renowned IPs, we continually improve the fascination and added value of the products. When using our products, users should be positively surprised by the distinctive design culture and be able to feel their values.
The combination of infinite wisdom and tenacity has honed advanced products and industry insight. The unremitting pursuit of technological innovation keeps Deli's products vital. Through the analysis of smoothness, ink output, writing angle, and other data, we ensure that the pen tips of Deli can be rotated 2 million times without damage. More than 100 functional technologies and 154 patents provide global customers with the best writing experience. Gathering global wisdom and overcoming the difficulties of laser and inkjet printers, we have successfully launched more than 40 printers, and various innovative technologies have been launched to solve the problems of global users. We firmly believe that developing products that meet the needs can bring us a broader future. The gene of excellence is not only engraved in every high-quality Deli products, but also reflected in all aspects of services. Now, digital technology service upgrades and industry-leading smart supply chains of Deli have enabled automation, intelligence, and visualization from order response, manufacturing, scientific storage, cargo picking, to precise transportation.
We have consolidated Deli brand with products and service capabilities. On the road of internationalization, we focus on local need, build multiple channels, successfully integrated into different culture systems, and made the Deli brand deeply rooted in the mind of global consumers.
Across mountains and seas, looking into the far distance, in this ever-changing era, Deli thinks multidimensionally and uses the concept of professionalism, sincerity, and win-win to write a successful chapter with partners.
从文具到文创，再到科创，得力将以创造美好产品、服务全球用户的品牌新使命再启程。让我们共同感知，一起成长，站在灿烂的新起点，迎接新机遇，让未来绽放。